Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner Finn Austin there, and today I'm going to do a rant on Rosie Gets Grounded. Enjoy the video. Rosie gets grounded. What? More like Rosie gets ungrounded? Oh my gosh! This grounded series sucks. I'm going to explain why I hate this grounded series. Number 1. Rosie is my favorite character. Second, this grounded series is getting old and overrated. And number 3, Rosie's a really cute and adorable girl. And you know who likes this grounded series? But I don't know. I think I know who likes this grounded series. Dan Chen, the traffic signal guy, 28468. But I respect his opinion on this grounded series. And you know who hates this grounded series? Everybody. Everybody hates this grounded series with the burning passion. So screw Rosie Gets Grounded. And screw Daisy Gets Grounded. Rosie Gets Ungrounded is better than Rosie Gets Grounded. End of rant. If you have any requests about my rants, check on the comments below. This is me on my channel.